And you want to know why? Because it's incredibly old and outdated science. Recent research, and I'm talking solid facts from the last 2 decades, show probiotic supplements are not usually helpful and actually disrupt the gut if used long term. Supplements, I'm going to talk about natural probiotic foods another day, are transient, which means they often don't colonize your gut effectively, can delay recovery of your own native microbes, especially after antibiotics. And because there are a small number of species taken over and over again, they can crowd out or unbalance your gut ecosystem. In some cases, they can actually cause bacterial overgrowth issues like SIBO, as well as symptoms like bloating, IBS, and brain fog. I've run through the common instances when people would usually think probiotics are helpful, like after antibiotics or a bout of food poisoning, in the caption. So now we can talk about what does actually support an optimal microbiome. And that is a diet rich in a diverse array of prebiotic fibre. Yet all the modern research strongly supports this, and that means you can pop that daily subscription money back in your pocket and try some of my insanely simple tricks instead. To clarify, prebiotic fibres are essentially fuel for your own probiotic bacteria, and eating them allows your unique ecosystem to flourish naturally. Compared to a probiotic supplement, dietary prebiotics support hundreds of microbial species, not just a few. They build a resilient, stable ecosystem that adapts over time, carry no risk of overgrowth and will actually protect against it. And you'll also get increased production of beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids that lower inflammation and keep your digestion running smoothly. And before you ask, this isn't the same as taking a prebiotic supplement like inulin or FOS in a capsule, which will only feed a narrow subset of microbes. Down with the pills seems to be a theme today. So a few of my favourite sneaky ways to actually improve your gut health, there are more in the caption, would be buy or make some hummus and then grab something leafy and green. Blend them together and put it back into the hummus pot. Hey presto, you've doubled the plant points of that dip. Another would be to grab a jar of your favourite nut or seed butter and then stir in a few tablespoons of a couple of other kinds of chopped nuts or seeds. Almond butter with cacao nibs and crushed walnuts. Tahini with chopped pumpkin seeds. Peanut butter with hazelnuts and coconut flakes. 1 becomes 2 or 3. You could also buy mixed rice instead of a singular type, or stir some cooked lentils or some chopped herbs through grains when they're cooked. Or if you batch cook and then cool your starchy carbs like potatoes and grains, they'll develop higher resistant starch levels, which again is a great form of prebiotic fibre. So to summarise, the most effective gut health strategy is simple: eat more diverse, colourful and delicious real food.